I'm extremely excited to be showing you this absolutely stunning Grade 2 listed townhouse in the desirable North Leamington Spa location, Portland Street. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the beautifully landscaped rear garden of this amazing home where we've got a jacuzzi, we've got this lovely landscape terrace. There is an option to bring in more parking if you need it. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.